If you want to process items one by one in N8n, the loop over items node is one of the simplest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to use the loop over items node in N8n step by step, so you can control exactly what happens to each item in your workflow. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials. First, open the workflow you want to work on. This can be an existing workflow or a new one that already contains the data you want to loop through. Once you're inside the workflow, look at the nodes panel. This is where N8n stores all the available nodes you can add to your automation. From the nodes panel, choose loop. You can usually find it by searching for loop over items, or simply typing loop into the search bar. Click the node to add it to your canvas. After that, you need to choose what to loop in the workflow. This means selecting the data or items that you want N8n to process one at a time. Connect the input from the previous node so the loop over items node knows which items it should handle. Then make sure the node is set up to loop through the correct collection of items in your workflow. Once that is selected, the node will send each item through the workflow in sequence, which is useful for actions like sending emails, updating records, or processing lists without overwhelming your automation. And that's it. You've now used the loop over items node in N8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick N8n guides.